I got an absolute bargain from my local garden centre. Look at that. It's a Eucalyptus Baby Blue, and I've wanted one of these for ages. I think it's absolutely stunning. I want to be able to harvest it, the leaves, and dry them for the bathroom, for the shower and that. I'm just generally so happy for it. But in researching, this type can grow up to about 10 foot if left in the ground. So I'm going to be doing my usual and planting it in a container, because obviously being on an allotment, I can't have non-fruiting trees on site. So to keep them happy and also to prevent any shadows like going over, because this is like can reach 10 foot, and then I think it was like 2.5 meters, whatever that is in foot wide. I don't have the space for that. I want to grow my vegetables instead, so I'm going to be planting it in a container to help restrict the growth. Now this eucalyptus can also grow up to 1 to 3 foot per year, so it's a very fast growing one. It's the baby blue. And yeah, so today I'm going to take you with me to go plant it in the tub. So for planting this, I'm going to be using the MAD Trees and Shrubs and the MAD Soldier Frass. So this one will be mixing into the compost. This one will be going on top as a little dressing. Okay, so this is, whoa, this is the tub that I'm going to be, it's sliding everywhere. Why is it spinning around? This is the tub that I'm going to be using. It's recommended that the eucalyptus goes into a pot that's 18 to 24 inches. I have no idea what size this pot is. I just know it's larger than the pot it's in, so I'm going to go with that for now. So yes, we're going to chuck in the compost first and then go from there. Okay, so I filled it roughly about half full of the compost, and then this is the point where I'm going to chuck in the MAD Trees and Shrubs. Really bad. I probably should measure this out, but I never do. I just kind of give it a nice little sprinkling. Okay, and I'm just going to mix that in. Whoa. Not a bad root system on there already. It's very dry though. Dry. There it is, filled up to the top. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sprinkle some of this on the top and give it a good watering. And then just going to give it another top sprinkling as well. Right, let's go find it a new home. Okay, so on this corner patch here, it will get its full sun. So hopefully it will like it until I clear that and work out where it can go properly once these trees and stuff have gone as well. But for now, it can go there next to the citrus plants.